Merlin here. Okay, well, if you've watched my other videos, you've seen I've been testing this 12 horsepower Briggs. That's going to be my lift engine. And everything seems to be running pretty good. I think I'm going to go ahead and drain the oil out of it so I can do an oil change. I don't have the oil put back right into it right yet. So I think what I'm going to do is, so I don't start the engine without oil in it, I'll pull the starter off of it and put me a note on it to fill the oil. And from there I'm going to go ahead and see if we can't get it mounted in the Hovercraft, get it ready to operate actually in the Hovercraft itself. So we'll have to see how everything's going to fit. But yeah, there's the 12 horsepower Briggs. This is my little test rig I had set up with the battery and start switch and the throttle cable and everything I used. Well, just used an old choke cable for a throttle cable, which yeah, worked okay. Not really the best thing. But there's the ignition switch and stuff we got set up. I'd made up my own little terminal block and stuff here for the wiring and stuff. That all worked out pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and unbolt everything, drain the oil out of it, and see if we can't get this thing mounted. Get the lift fan installed onto the end of the propped crankshaft and get it positioned and see if we can't get this thing mounted into the hull. So thanks for watching, and we'll keep you updated as we go along.